Hello everyone. I only want to say that we had a workshop about COP15 and we evaluated the whole process, and we had many great ideas about how to get in action. So the first thing is about the renewable resources and energy. When it comes to renewable resources and energy, it is according to the geographic circumstances. So for example, Denmark would use wind. Norway would use the hydroelectric power, and for example, Africa would use the solar power systems, and so on. As individuals, which is really important, we have to promote the use of renewable resources by getting renewable resources providers instead of the normal providers of energy, and also by doing different actions such as taking short showers instead of long showers, and so on. Thank you.
The second point we worked on was transportation and travel. People as individuals should use bikes instead of cars and trains, and also they should use the public transportations which are reliable on that have produces less CO2, and they also should elect politicians that help us.
We also had a few plans of action about food consumption in the future. We should, as the youth, we should make it a point to try as far as possible to consume foods that are produced in the local market instead of using consuming food that has been imported from, say, another corner in the world, because the carbon footprint from importing is massive compared to the food itself. And all of us know that in our cultures, meat is a very important part of our cuisine. So what we need to do is that even if we made a single day in our week which was a vegetarian day, that would make a big difference to our carbon footprint and would help save the planet.
Last but not least, we were talking about waste disposal and recycling, and the need that individuals must understand that recycling is not something that should be done on a regional or state level, but something that each and every person can do in their own home. Also, we talked about repairing instead of buying new things, making, for example, electronic devices last longer, and buying second-hand clothes from stores, and giving old clothes to these second-hand stores so that they get something to sell. After having thought well and thoroughly through these action plans, we understood that it actually, the problems or the solution is twofold. So on a global scale, countries must unite and understand that they must cooperate to solve the climate problems. But on a more individual level, each and every single person must understand that he or she is also responsible for improving the world situation as of now.